Timber! That was just like a tree falling. Sometimes it goes good, and sometimes it goes very horribly wrong. So today, we are going to be reacting to the funniest or almost serious tree cutting down accidents. So in this video, we are going to see some of what happens when you cut down trees wrong, and what happens when you cut down trees right. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more reaction videos. And let's go ahead and get straight into the video. I haven't even started the video yet, and I can already tell this is going to end badly. Purely based on the angle that that tree is and the way that he's cutting, the amount of pressure that's going through that tree when it's cut like this, it's just going to fling back or fling out, or the ground's going to snap. I'm curious to see what happens, so let's find out. So he just took his whole chainsaw and him.
Thank God that was not his leg or hand.
Chainsaw just come out of his hand. Oh man. The hydraulic fluid came out of that tractor when they was pulling that tree out. Dude's jumping with some scissors. What? Oh, this can never go. Dude. That's not even a massive branch either, like. Oh, I'm still getting over this one. That one is not a massive branch. Imagine if something, look at the size of that thick tree. Imagine if something like that fell that was connected to the rope. This guy would have just been sent across the universe. God. The force on that one's unreal. God. This one, that chainsaw could have so much easily gone back onto him when he was falling. It's like karma. Oh no, that's not. Look at the bend. Oh, I took the ladder out. Oh. On the roof. Well, save the roof, but ruin the deck. Oh. So what's going on? So that is not a good idea. Having old mate just hold the ladder while it's just resting on a branch. It's not even resting on anything else. This is where it's resting on. When you cut this, there's only one way for the ladder to go, and it's down. Oh, that you can see that happening. That's common sense. You need to rest a ladder on something, and if you're going to cut that something away, the ladder's going to fall down. That's insane.
I heard it crack. Oh, it's leaning.
Oh. I see these videos all the time. It's like people who are making decisions to cut down giant trees in front of their house. This thing does not end well, ever. The tree just goes straight onto the house.
No!
Straight under the house.
Oh my god! Oh my god! There we go. Oh shit!
I love the realization that, yeah, this tree's coming down. Oh, it was about to hit my house. Oh shit! Oh. broken all the windows in the building. That's great. That's classic. What the people are complaining. So this is how it looks like a professional should do it. You got all the ropes. You know, if you... Oh! I say that and the dude falls off the tree.
God damn it.
That's a thick tree. That was not a tree that fell down. That was the whole entire crane. My God. That must have been the heaviest piece of wood, that.
Капец.
Oh. Power lines.
I'm okay. Stab me.
It stabbed me. I'm okay. This person with the camera just knew that something was going to happen. This person with the camera's like, yeah, let me film this shit because something's about to go down, and they just started recording it because they're like trying to be sneaky. They're like looking over the side of their wall. I think it's just looking at the guy's technique. He's not even standing on anything, he's just cutting the tree as he's swinging. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh my god.
On the swing. the tiniest kids playground that's in this apartment complex or whatever it is, it just destroys the one piece of kids equipment that's in there. The swing. Oh no. Jesus. Can we just talk about how long that drop was? That's insane. There's got to be a 60-foot drop. Ugh. Man, sometimes people just like should leave things to the professionals, and this is a prime example of why you should probably get a professional to cut down a tree, because if you're just going to cut that thing yourself, chances are the sucker's going to fall on you, or it's going to fall on your house and ruin your day. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be, that's it for us watching and reacting to some tree cutting fails, or should I just say idiots with chainsaws. Like I said, if you like this video, guys, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Glenn reacts or reactions to videos on the internet. Go ahead and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next reaction. Thanks for the reaction, and I'll see you. Bye.